Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you think it can help others. Okay, it doesn't matter if you are a beginner or an inexperienced trader, because this profitable method will help you to get more successful trading opportunities with less risk. As you can see on your screen, that here I trade using a trusted signal for Forex and crypto trading, namely the X signal. You can download this Signal app for Windows, Mac OS as well as mobile. Please check the description link of this video if you want to download it. As you can see in this trade, I will trade on the deriv platform, but you can use on other platforms. The principle of this method is actually very simple. We only need to follow the signal given by the X Signals application. For more details, see this video until the end so that you understand. Choose the Forex market to trade, because this signal only works for Forex and crypto trading. Okay, in the first purchase I will use analysis, Forex trending, while for the duration of the purchase I use a short duration of 1 minute. So, I think here I saw a very good moment and opened a position to the upside with a small amount first. As you can see, this application signal is for the year JPY market, buy. Then we also see that the trend has started to increase. That's the reason I purchased the top. Here we use trading with 1 minute intervals because I see for now the market is unstable. However, I recommend you choose a stable market when you want to trade. Here I have less than 30 seconds left for the first trade. I wish myself luck. But here I am not worried because the signal that is given looks very strong. As I said before, if you are a beginner or an inexperienced trader, this method is not difficult to use. The most important thing is that we are careful in choosing a stable market. Okay, friends, as we can see for the first trade, it looks like I made a profit. Here I will try to continue the second trade still with a 1 minute trading interval, and here I am still using Forex trending analysis. I will change the market options first before proceeding. Yes, for the second trade I have done, here I made a purchase, rise. The reason is very clear, because the signal given shows the price is very strong going up. Here too we can see that the trend is on the rise. That's why I made an upward purchase apart from the signal given by the X signal application. We can also add some other indicators to do this signal combination, and it looks like this will be a very interesting thing for us to do in the next trade. Here I have 30 seconds of trading time left to end this second trade. Hopefully, this second trade can be successful again. But it looks like I will be successful for this second trade. Yes, and finally this second trade worked too. This is amazing. So friends, here I will remind you that this trade is full of risk. So please understand this before you trade on your real account. Okay friends, here I will try to change it using Forex adaptive analysis. And I will make sure that the market I choose is available in the X Signals application service. As you can see here I made a purchase, fall. For the year GBP market, I saw the signal given by the X Signals application showed a strong downward trend. Then I also saw here that there was a price reversal from up to down. So I think this will be the peak of the high price, and I see that the price has started to reverse direction. Then confirmed with the signal given by the X signal showing downwards. I see here it seems that if I trade with an interval of 2 minutes it will be better because here the price is corrected first. But this is not a problem for me, all is well. Yes, here I benefit from a very thin closing price, my friends. But it doesn't matter, the important thing is that the results are still profitable. Okay, maybe here I will trade only a few times a purchase, because I think this is enough for the time to stop. So if you download this application, please check the video description, or you can visit our site www.vfxltool.com. Before we end this video, allow us to remind you that this video is for informational purposes only and is in no way an action guide. Site and program owners do not accept any responsibility for the use of the information provided on the website and in our programs, such as for any errors. The information on this site does not constitute a public offer. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you again in my next video.